Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can update the Comet AI browser to its newest version. For example, if you'd like to fix various performance issues. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So step number 1, launch the Comet AI browser on your desktop computer or laptop. Step number 2, click into that arrow down icon in the top right. Step number 3, click into settings here. Inside your accounts or browser settings, simply navigate to About Comet at the bottom of that left panel here. And after that, check which version of the Comet AI browser you're currently using. If you see this notification here that Comet is up to date, you don't need to perform any further action. However, guys, if you'd like to check for newest updates, simply click into this button. For example, on Google Chrome checks automatically for these updates. So in this case here on Comet, you will need to click into this button and there you go. Comet will after that perform a short update check and look if there are any newer versions available online to download and install. And if there are none, you will see that checkmark button here that your version is up to date, guys. And if not, Comet AI will give you, or that button will change into download and install so that you may update the browser to its newest version. After that, relaunch it and that should fix it. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.